Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another TechOverdose video. In this, let's check out few hard shell cases you can get for your Honor 9 Lite. Let's get started. These are the same type hard shell cases for your Honor 9 Lite. I have got 3 colors here, blue, purple and black. Now I don't have the Honor 9 Lite phone with me, so I won't be able to show how it fits on the phone. But a similar type case I had showcased in my previous video for Honor 7X. If you want to see how it fits on the phone, do go ahead and check that video. I have linked that here in this video. Okay, now moving on to this case, you can see it is made up of high quality material and it's flexible too. One advantage here is the camera is completely covered like this under the case, providing good protection for the lens. Now I have got 2 colors with me. Let me open it up and show it to you guys. All these case links are provided in the description box below. If you're interested in buying one, go ahead and check it out. Until next one, thanks a lot for watching and I'll speak to you guys in my next video.